Hello students, in the last video I have discussed about finding the specific gravity of solid by Archimedes principle. In regarding with that I have solved some simple problems to find the RD of solids. In continuation Archimedes principle chapter, here I am going to give you some simple examples of finding the specific gravity or relative density of liquid by Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle states that when a body is immersed wholly or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward thrust or force equal to the weight of fluid displaced, and the volume of fluid displaced is equal to the volume of immersed body in the fluid. So those are the two important points we have to keep it in mind whenever we are solving the Archimedes principle problems. In the first example, it's asked, find the specific gravity of alcohol. Alcohol is a liquid. Is a piece. If a piece of silver, weighs 22 grams in air and 20.4 grams in alcohol, 20.2 grams in water is immersed when it is immersed. So in the diagram you may observe I have weighed the piece of metal silver weight, that is W1, it is 22 gram in air, and in W2 the same silver is weighed in water, which gives W2 20.2 grams. When the same silver is weighed in alcohol, it gives a weight W3 20.4 grams. The same silver piece weighed in three steps, one in air, one in water, and one in alcohol. Air is taken as W1, water is taken as W2, and alcohol is taken as W3. So Archimedes principle, we have the formula specific gravity of alcohol or any liquid, you may take it as specific gravity of alcohol is equal to loss of weight in alcohol. Loss of weight in alcohol divided by loss of weight in water. The loss of weight we have to take in consider with respect to the silver weight, which is the silver we have weighed here, that's loss you have to consider. So W1 is the weight in air and W3 is the weight in alcohol. By subtracting those two, that is W1 minus W3, we get the loss of weight in alcohol. How much weight the silver loses in alcohol is finding by subtracting weight in air and weight in alcohol. Next, specific gravity in the denominator, loss of weight in water you can find out by using the formula W1 minus W2. W1 is the weight of solid or silver in air, W2 is the weight of silver in water. W1 minus W2 gives you the loss of weight in water. So but then dividing those two, that is W1 22 minus W3 20.4 and W1 again 22 minus 20.2 is the W2. By subtracting the numerator and denominator and dividing the coming answer, we will get 0.88, which is the relative density of alcohol. You may observe here the relative density of water is always taken as 1, and relative density of alcohol we have got here is 0.88. That means water is more dense than alcohol. Hence, according to the problem, the weight of object in alcohol is more when compared to water. That means the weight of any object loses its weight more in case of lower density liquid. So let us take one more example of this type. In the second problem, it is asked to find a piece of metal weighs 100 grams in air, 86 grams in water and 90 grams in liquid. Three weights are given. One is 100 gram, that is air, W1 you have taken as, and other is 86, it is W2 in water, and other is 90 in liquid, it is taken as W3. So three weights are given. What we have to calculate? We have to find the specific gravity of solid and liquid. Both we have to find the specific gravity of both solid and liquid. To find solid, we know the formula. Specific gravity of metal or solid is we can calculate by using the formula water weight in air divided by loss of weight in water. So weight in air is given W1 100, take it as 100, and W1 once again 100, take it in the denominator, minus weight in water 86. So loss of weight in water, we will get 100 minus 86. 100 divided by 100 minus 86, we get 7.14 as the specific gravity of metal. That is the first type given already in one video, that is a specific gravity of solids by Archimedes principle, by using Archimedes principle. In that video I have discussed this type of problems, that is RD of solid by Archimedes principle, or find by using the formula W1 divided by W1 minus W2, where W1 is the weight of solid in air, W2 is the weight of solid in water. Using the simple formula, I have calculated the specific gravity or relative density of solid. Next, to find the specific gravity of liquid, we have the formula specific gravity of liquid. We have the formula, this is liquid, this is not metal, this is liquid. I will take LQ, liquid, specific gravity of liquid. Specific gravity of liquid is given by the formula loss of weight in liquid divided by loss of weight in water. So loss of weight in water or loss of weight in liquid is calculated by simply subtracting the weight of metal in air minus the weight of metal in liquid or the weight of metal in water. So loss of weight in liquid is W1 minus W3. Loss of weight in water is W1 minus W2. So 100 minus 90 divided by 100 minus 86, because in liquid the metal weighs 90 grams and in water it weighs 86 grams. So 100 minus 90, 10, 100 minus 86, 14, 10 by 14 we will get 0.714. 0.714 is the specific gravity of liquid. So in this way we can find the specific gravity or relative density of liquid by using Archimedes principle. So in the next videos I will give you some special cases, that is when an iceberg floats on water or a wood piece floats on water, how we can find the relative density or specific gravity, or how we can find the volume of ice or wood floating on water in the next videos. So thank you, thanks for watching.